Melting machine medium frequency. Adopting electronic components imported from Japan. New LGBT module. Continuous melting for 24 hours. Heating efficiency increased by 20% to 50%. Melting time is about 3 to 4.5 minutes. Melting efficiency, good power saving, effect, and strong overload energy. It has overvoltage, overcurrent, overheating, lack of protection, lack of equal multiple, protection design, and automatic shutdown, protection in case of fault. The induction coil is not charged, safe and reliable. Deep integration of profound understanding of precious metal characteristics and cutting-edge heating technology provides you with a fast, uniform, and precise melting experience.